Take a look at my husband. Why you upset? Turn this way. Let me see. Look up now. Ah, look. I can't see you, babe. Come here. This is the light. You look so handsome. Look at you. Oh, guys, look at the skin. Look at the skin. Look at the glow. Look at this handsome specimen. Oh, your mom done a good one.
I miss my beard.
You're a good egg. You're a good egg, babe. You're a good egg. Good egg.
That's it.
Guys, if you didn't see how my husband looked before, he looked different.
Let me tell you something.
Look at him.
Okay.
Babe, you look nice.
I'm in a foreign land.
But you look nice.
I'm gonna be looking black.
You look
My
nice.
beard.
You look even younger.
That's it.
Push them over to yellow, push them over to yellow. So whoever gets the most colored balls wins. Oh, keep it yellow, keep it yellow. Yes, okay. They're getting it, they're getting it. You guys are gonna try to stop it. It almost looks like
Good morning, guys.
because it's going down.
Hope you are
And
well.
yellow's in, red is
You
out. Sorry,
wanna say
red
hi?
guys. There we go. Reach the top of the mountain first and grab.
Say good morning.
Okay, we're all. Oh, and then there's like balls that come down.
Yeah, so it's Monday. We're just getting ready to.
Come on. There's only one crown. Okay, it's safe to go this way.
You wanna say hi?
Hi.
There it is, there it is. You can see it. It's bouncing. It's just waiting.
And I'm
It's
just
done a little
getting
bit from that swinging hammer.
Hello,
Oh,
guys.
I gotta go around. Here we go. Go around.
getting
Oh,
the
no.
twins ready
I need to like help it like push me in there.
to go to
Push.
school.
Oh, no, I gotta let it go. It was
It's
so
just
close.
me,
I was
Jerome,
so
and the
close.
twins
Oh, okay.
awake.
There's
The
winner.
rest are still asleep.
Actually,
Very
really, the
lucky for
crown is the
some.
ultimate one.
But
You did pretty good.
I don't mind
First
getting up early if
point.
it's warm. When
Dizzy
it's warm
heights. Hopefully I'll
outside,
be able to get through
summertime.
this.
It's when winter kicks in. It's like,
This
oh
is
my
gonna be
God,
so dizzy.
why do I
It's gonna
have
be
to?
spinning.
And it's still dark, even at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, it's still dark outside. I'm like, bruh, come on. Yeah, so
The triangles.
I'm gonna
Make it
go
work for me. I'm gonna go around it, go around and jump. There we go. Oh, wait, go around
and it's
this way.
going to be
Go
Jerome.
around and jump.
Have you done your breakfast?
Okay, go around. This seems to be working out.
You go 2 minutes. What do you want to do? Stop shouting. What are you trying to cook?
Do you want to know? It's a Chinese chicken curry.
Ooh, Chinese chicken curry. Okay. Is that what we're gonna cook today?
Yeah, but I might need some ingredients.
Okay. Well, text me your ingredients before we get to school, and I'll get them. You sure you're not gonna kill us?
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm a good cook.
You're a good cook.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're doing tonight? You're doing tonight, yeah? You're doing it tonight?
Yeah.
Sure? You sure?
Sure.
Guys, it's hot out here. Before we move, okay. What are we doing? Are we fighting with the top, mate? Damn.
What the hell?
So aggressive.
I know the guy is taking off his shirt so aggressively, like there's a bag or a bee in there. He just
Hi guys, I love
mate,
you.
calm down.
Happy boy. Hi guys, I love you.
What did he say?
Such a little.
It said, hi guys, I love you.
Aww.
Hi guys, I got a symbol.
He said he loves football. Guys, before we moved up here, we were told it's very cold. It doesn't get warm and all this stuff. And right now,
What? You. He's
Going
laughing
to
at
the
some girl. She
competition.
looked at us.
and right now, it's 31 degrees, just like London. But the difference, we have a breeze where London, I don't think they do have a breeze. If they have one, it's very warm air. So we got a lovely breeze up here. Not too close. Not too close. What is he doing? Yeah, not too close. Okay, hold on. I'll give it to you in a minute. Why is it making a noise? Go on.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Ah! I'm finished.
It's okay, leave the spider. Hello guys. What's today? Wednesday. It's Wednesday. And we're out here taking a walk. Well, actually not even a little walk. We've been out here for a few hours. The twins are off school today, so we thought let's take them out to what's it called? There's a park near us. Well, not near us. We have to drive there, about 15 minutes drive. And they've got like a waterfall. You know, you come the kids. So we took the twins and they were playing in the water. And then it's quite a big thing. It's quite a big park. So we walked to get to the thingy. What are you picking now?
It looks like acorn.
Is that another acorn?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know if it's an acorn, but she's into acorns nowadays.
Mom, I think
She loves picking all the acorns. But yeah, so we walked to there, and now we're walking back to the car. I think if I had my thingy step counter, I think we done 10,000 steps. I actually think we did. And I might actually use this park to do my steps, because where we live is not very... Oh, thank you. It's not very walk friendly, so I might use this park and start doing my walks again. Sir, hello, hello. You see this boy? Uriah, get down, please. Come on, get down. Thank you. Go on. So we're just gonna go home. Actually, no, we're gonna go pick Jerome. I think it's time to pick him. They're playing. Go on, guys.
That's it. You're looking fantastic.
Go on, guys. What are you cussing the instructor for, man? Come on, Jojo. Awesome. Come on, Jerome. Come on, Jerome. Leave those legs. Put your head down. Go on, guys. Go on, Jerome. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Limbo, limbo, limbo. Limbo, limbo, limbo. Ah, limbo. Limbo, limbo, limbo. Limbo, limbo, limbo. Ah, yeah. Limbo, limbo. Hey. Mommy, Fifi, come try limbo. Madam, I'm gymnastic. Limbo, limbo, limbo. You're cheating. You're not meant to use your arms like that.
I won.
You done it.
Thank you for watching.
It is Thursday. One more week and we're one more week and we get summer holidays. Don't watch my hair. My hair sometimes hurts when it's like afro-y and it's not blow dried and stretched. When I put in a ponytail, sometimes it just hurts, so I took it out. We got one more week and then it is summer holidays. Hooray! I am tired of the school runs. It's always the same thing every year. When it gets around this time, for some reason it just drags and you're like, come on. I mean, the kids in south, I think some of them are broken off, if not all of them, but up here in the north we still got a week. So yeah, we got another week. The twins are doing their graduation as well next week. They're graduating out of preschool and then September there'll be a reception. So they're doing a little graduation. I'm so excited to see that like graduation. I'm so excited. So it'll be lovely. We're gonna go. I don't know if I'll be able to get any content because there's other kids, but we shall see how that works. Bye. Is gonna end up wet.
Okay, yeah, let's go
Look
outside.
at all these. There's so many of
Take
them.
some of your balloons and we'll go
So
outside.
many.
I got it.
You got some?
Yeah.
No, take a bit. Take a
What
little.
color have you got here? Yeah. What color is it?
Whoa.
Who?
It's whoa.
Whoa. Oh, you're so cute.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Ow! Fill up the water
It's
bottle
whoa.
and then take some of the balloons outside.
Guys, filling up water in pools takes a lot. It takes
burning
a lot.
my legs.
You're just saying it's a workout for him. I'm filling up hot. Jojo's doing cold. So I'm doing mine in the bathroom. Jerome doing it in the kitchen. And hopefully it won't take long to fill it because we have a pipe, but the pipe it can only fit on the outside tap. It can't fit on the indoor. Is my thing working? Yeah, it can't fit on the indoor taps because the mouth is funny. So we have to use the bucket to fill it. So
Faith also trying to do the balloons, so it's
oh yeah, she's doing the balloons on the outside tap. This is the process of doing a pool outside.
Babe.
But it's fun after all. It's fun. Once it's filled up, they'll have a good time. That's all that matters. So, yeah, we're getting it done. Go! Who's the fastest? Go! How did you win, Yaya? Go! Bella, you're cheating, you know, chicken. She's getting up on her feet.
Mommy.
Oh! Got one! Yay! Oh, you are so good, Bella Rose. Yay! Mr. Football, endlessly with the ball. If this boy had a big garden, that's where he would be all day, every day. all day, constantly bouncing the ball. I hope you make me some money when you're older.
And it's older.
Yeah, when you're older, you're gonna be a footballer.
Yeah.
And you're gonna make mommy money.
Yeah.
You're gonna make mommy rich.
I'm gonna give yours too.
You're gonna give me money too. What are you gonna be when you're older, Bella? When you're a big girl, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be a football and I'm gonna kick it really hard.
Oh, you're gonna be a footballer? Wow, that's amazing. I'm tired, guys. Pool is done. Pool's water is gone. Pool's water. Well done, Mama. The kids are finished doing the thingy. They're playing in the pool. Everyone's out. The water's gone. Pool's away. How long were you in there for? Couple hours, isn't it?
It was either an hour or half an hour.
Can you imagine? It took us. How long did it take us to fill that pool?
Half an hour.
Half an hour, 45 minutes. I'm sure it was long. You were in there for longer than half an hour.
Probably well. I don't know how long it was, but we were in there for quite a while.
Yeah, so
The water just went cold quickly. I guess I'm not surprised because outside.
maybe next time we just put hot water because we mixed it with
mixed
hot
with
and
that's what
cold.
I'm thinking.
So maybe next time we just put hot water because being up here in the north. Well done. The water, tap water is really like the cold one is really cold. Honestly, the water is cold as the one you get from the fridge. I'm being serious. I'm not even exaggerating.
Take pictures of me.
In a minute, because we before I used to buy water for drinking because I never used to like the tap water down in south. But when we moved up here, I don't know, one day I think I had run out of water and I tried the tap one and I was like hold up, and the water bangs. Okay, tap water up here bangs. Okay, so now I don't even buy any bottled water anymore. We just use the tap one. It's literally cold and fresh and it tastes good. It tastes good. Okay, so we use some of that for the pool, but I think because it's cold, the water is cold, it made it a bit cold quickly. So I think next time we just use hot water that will stay hot longer. But it was good. The kids had fun. So I'm covered. Oh, and I'm tired. So I think we're not really doing anything else today, but we're just gonna chill at home. So I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog.
Are you going to take a picture of me?
I already did, Baba.
No, when you watch me do that.
Yeah, me to what to show. Okay, she wants you to see her doing her rolling. Alright, go on and show the people. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Go on. Yay! Oh, two more. Go. You're right, don't do it. Oh, God.
I want to. Not yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's only for both of us.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have done that. That was Bella's. Okay?
I'm just filming.
I know, but Bella had set it up for herself. And that's how it rolls in Trinidad. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. I'm gonna go edit it for tomorrow. Hope you all have a good weekend. Hope it's a relaxing one and enjoyed it. If you're new to the vlog channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. There's a heat wave coming on Monday in UK, so guys, stay safe. Hope you're all well. Hope you enjoy. Those who like the heat, those who don't like the heat, stay in the house if you can. But anyway, we'll speak to you soon. Bye.